Today we are celebrating the heroism of Elva Graveline. Elva was a CNA who cared for, on some days, a dozen COVID-19 patients. We are going to commemorate not just Elva's sacrifice and service, but all of our healthcare heroes with a call to action.
We had a reopening committee that included labor to make sure that each and every one of you were safe. AFT took the lead there. Jan Hockadell took the lead there. Every day asking the question, will they be safe?
We've heard your voices. We've heard you say no. I demand to be safe for myself, my patients, my family, and my community. And we do. We stand together. That's what a union means.
On May 15th, with the help of AFT and Randi Weingarten and all their members across the country, we passed the HEROES Act with a new majority in the House of Representatives. And it did 4 things for the healthcare workers in this country. Number 1, state and local government will get the resources it needs over the next 2 years so that they will not be faced with the impossible choice of having to lay off frontline first responders, healthcare workers that fill up the ranks of state employees. Number 2, we created the Heroes Fund, which makes sure that there will be a premium payment of hazardous duty for all those frontline workers. Number 3, it is going to make sure that the PPE resources are there. And lastly, it is to mandate that the Occupational Safety and Health Administration steps up and implements an emergency enforceable standard for airborne pathogens, which we know works and which is desperately needed to make sure that the people going to work every day and caring for America are protected.
Elva, her memory is a blessing, not only for her family, who misses her terribly, not only for her bigger community, but she is also a symbol and a signal to all of us to do exactly what the congressman said. We have a special obligation to those who every single day have stood up and have gone to work to protect everyone else, knowing full well that their federal government is not protecting them, that they may not have enough PPE, that they do not have an OSHA standard where they can stand up and say, this is not right, you have to protect me. And they still go in because of their heart and their compassion and their willingness to make a difference in the lives of others. And we need to support them. We need the funding and the provisions from the HEROES Act so that the people who actually helped get us through this crisis have the funds to continue to get us through this crisis. If we get 5 million calls and letters into that Senate, we will win this fight. Let's go. The public is with us. We need to win this fight. Thank you.